Today, we are going to learn what to do when things go wrong. First, let's check the eligibility for this patient's primary coverage. As you can see, we got an error response in red. It seems the payer is having a downtime, and from our experiences, Metro Plus has a lot of downtime. When this happens, you will need to check the eligibility manually, unfortunately, using their online portal, or contacting them directly. Then you can set the status for this coverage. Inactive means the plan is not yet terminated, but temporarily not active. If we save it, we can see the plan shows inactive here. Let's go back to the details. Here, cancelled means the plan is terminated, and no longer in use. If we save it, now we see that the plan is terminated. You can unarchive this plan directly in this screen, by clicking here. This makes the plan active again, or vice versa. Now, let's briefly talk about New York Medicaid coverages. Most of the time, they are not an actual secondary coverage, but we still enter them into the system, because we want to make sure Medicaid is active for managed care plans. That's why it does not show secondary tag here, and also here. You can check the coverage like any other coverage, but at the moment, sometimes it shows inactive even though the coverage is actually active. This is a known issue, but since New York Medicaid is actually giving us wrong information, we cannot do anything about it. Therefore, we suggest you check PACES for the most accurate result for the time being, and we will do our best to fix this issue as soon as possible. Now, what to do if the whole system is stuck, and it does not respond when a button is clicked? First thing you should do is to refresh the page, by clicking here. This should solve most of the problems, but if problem persists, we ask you to copy the current address here, and explain what problems you are having. More feedback we get, faster we can sort out all of the issues with the new system. If you cannot proceed further due to issues, you can always go back to the daysheet to record payment, or even use pen and paper. However, it must be reported to the IT team so we can re-enter them into CLEO properly. Also, make sure to add those missed entries when you calculate the end-of-the-day totals. This concludes the first training module for front desk staffs. As with any software launch, things may not go smoothly at first. We may have missed an important functionality, either in the training videos or in the system itself. However, that's why we are starting small, and we will do our best to make the transition worry-free. Please, let us know if you find any issues or have suggestions. The power of having a dedicated IT team is that we can make the system any way you want. Thank you for your kind cooperation, and we are looking forward to hearing from you.